Today we're going to quickly go over changing the gear oil in the front and rear diff and the transfer case, so stick around. All you'll need to do this maintenance is 7 quarts of 7W90. I have an 8th one just in case, and a set of drain plug gaskets. The gaskets can be picked up at your Toyota dealer for around 13 bucks. The oil is around $100. We're going to start in the back and we're going to work our way forward. First step, I jacked up the body just to give myself a little more room under the truck. On the rear end, this is the fill plug, and that is the drain plug. It is a 24mm socket, but if you don't have one, you can try using a 15/16. Alright, remove the top fill bolt first, then remove the drain bolt, and let everything drain into your drain pan. I used a little WD-40 to get it to break loose, and ended up using the impact wrench. Once you get your plugs out, put your new crush washers on and clean up the plugs. Then we'll reinstall the bottom one, fill the fluid level till it starts dripping out, and then reinstall the top one. Alright, the next step is to prepare 4 quarts of fluid. To do that, you just cut the tips and remove the seal. When you're ready, you just start pumping them in there. Alright, the rear diff is all buttoned up. Now let's go up to the front. Moving forward now, we're going to do the transfer case. This is the fill plug, this is the drain plug, and again, they're 24mm bolts. Transfer case takes just over 1 quart, so we prepared another bottle, and we have the leftovers from the last bottle. Okay, now we're going to move on to the front diff. Okay, the most difficult of the 3 is going to be the front differential. This is the drain plug, and the fill plug is up there. It's only difficult because it's kind of hard to get to. And on this one, we're using a 10mm Allen. So, same thing as the other ones. Then we'll fill it up with about 1.6 quarts. And we'll torque this to 48. And that's 29. Okay, after a minor setback, I was able to break this loose. Ended up stripping it out and having to use a chisel to knock it loose. But I got a replacement, so let's go ahead and drain this, put the new one in, and get rocking. And that's it. It's all filled up. We're ready to go. I used just over 6.5 quarts.